So, finally got this in the mail. It's my nightstand. Yes. Okay. Let's do, I kind of want to do a Q&A, but I didn't ask anyone questions, so let me ask my friends questions and see if they answer them. Or ask me questions in a timely manner. Wow. Oh God. Instructions. Okay, I'm back with this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I might make my dad do this, cause I don't know what's going on. Oh, a tool. Thank you. Okay. And then obviously these are the drawer handles, right? Yeah. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. I hope you're happy how you hurt your cause forever. I hope you think you're clever. I can't want it anymore. Do. Something has... Am I doing this wrong? I'm a little bit slow, yeah. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Yeah. It moves. Duh. Okay. Just making sure. Alright. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. You better move. Oh well. Aaliyah has a question. She said, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. But I have a lot of runner-ups. Right now I really like terracotta. I really like sage, honestly, because I painted my walls sage. I like the color emerald. I like crimson red in particular. I like yellow, like a good mustard yellow, something kind of autumny, but also like a little vibrant yellow as well. Yes. Man, this is difficult. Am I over my head? I'm having a food break because I'm stressed. But I did one more board. I hope I'm not screwing this up, like, seriously. You are. You are. Don't worry about it. Because I would be seriously upset. But yeah. I'm eating this. This is some leftovers. My dad made some mashed potatoes with my vegan butter last night. And I have some quinoa and lentil mixture kind of stuff. It's like, I don't know. It's savory. Put some umami, like mushroom powder stuff in it. So it's just very flavorful. Has dipped. And then I have an avocado with some salt and pepper on it. Yum. A nice bite. One of my friends asked me a question. She said, what's your relationship status? Eye emoji. My relationship status is single and not trying to mingle. Yeah, I just like being by myself. And that's true like 90% of the time. Actually, I say 99% of the time. Not even 90% because that's too much. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'll be back in a few. I'm back. I ate some food and watched some YouTube videos. And I got somewhere, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Let me tilt this down. Look at that. Would you look at that? Doing things, making moves. So yeah. One of my friends asked me a question and she asked, did I already answer the relationship? Oh yeah, I think I already answered that one. The relationship status. My brother asked, did you watch WandaVision? Yes, I did. I watched it last night. It was crazy. No spoilers. I'm not going to spoil it because I know a lot of people are watching this stuff right now, so I'm not gonna ruin it for you. Let's see how I do this. All right, I take number 2 and then put F to screw it in. One question that I could answer is, ow, what the frick? Frick, patty wet. Is it in? Oh my god, I'm dumb. I put it in wrong. See, this is why you gotta pay attention.
Is this the Krusty Krab? No! This is Patrick!
Alright, smooth. Okay, it's gonna hurt my hands. I got soft hands. I don't really know what else to talk about, so I'll get back to you guys whenever I get these done and I get to like the final parts. I don't know what that was. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, okay. I did it. I had to use this thing in conjunction with this because my hands, it was hurting my hands. Now I put on, oh, this is the easy part. I just put on these. These are plastic. I thought they would be metal. Cheap. Okay. Oh no, I scraped it. Whatever. Good enough. I can't get that one all the way down. Is there someone downstairs? Let's go around. Shouldn't be. Okay. I hope not. One more. Yeah. I'm almost done. Like, look at me. I would have thought. Freaking genius, man. There we go. Wow. Okay, look at this. You can't see. Let me see. I'm not sorry. It's got feet. Oh, look at me, Belle the Builder, building things. Okay. Okay. What's next? Okay, now I gotta build the drawers. I'm gonna go off camera with this because I already know this is gonna be annoying. Anyways, I'll be right back. Blank. Yo, this was actually really simple. This was easy. Look at it. Look at these. Oh, okay. Guys, I could get into carpentry. High key. I really could. Because this is nowhere near as hard as I thought it would be. Guys always make things seem so difficult, but really it's simple. Okay. Purr. Yeah! Alright, I'll be back because I'm kind of irritated. I'll be back. Ow. Okay, y'all, I figured it out. I was putting in the wrong hole. It wasn't like the holes weren't matching up. Okay. We're on the last 2 steps. So I have to put K into one of these holes. I know I'm supposed to like, you know what? I might just make my dad do that part. Cause I don't get it, no. And that's when I found out that I put in those little slidey things, the things that I was so confident about. Yeah, I put those in backwards. So I had to take them out, then flip it over, and then screw it back in. So that was definitely foreshadowing right there. Tried it. Why? This is solid. I don't know. I think that's unnecessary. I'm just gonna put it up. I'm gonna put it up, and if my dad wants to do that part, then he can. But for now, I think I'm done here. I feel like the other things are not really essential, if you ask me. So I'm not gonna do that. Ooh, this is heavy, man. Oops. Okay. It's a little bit taller than my windowsill, but not by much. That's why I bought this one, because all the other ones were like super tall. I was like, why are nightstands so tall? The bed is low. Okay. Look at this.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Tsh, da, 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 da.
Are you proud of me? Say yes. Anyways, well, back lighting. This is not the silhouette challenge. Anyways, but yeah, thanks for sticking with me. This took what, like an hour or two? Probably 2 hours, but I did it, and I'm proud of myself that I put it together. Wow, look at me. I'm a grown-up. Anyways, I will see you guys Wednesday. Don't do anything crazy, nothing I wouldn't do, and that's saying a lot. Anyways, goodbye.